In this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox error code 529 technical difficulties. First thing to do is to go to your web browser and kindly type status Roblox. So this is how you type it. And then after that, you have to press enter. And then click the first one here, statusroblox.com. Now once you're here, you have to make sure that Roblox server system is not down, that everything is okay, that there's no error at the moment. So all you have to do is to go here and check if everything is okay. So as you can see, Roblox is okay. There's no error facing, there's no problem facing, and Roblox is doing well. Now, the second thing to do is to exit this and go to your network status and try to troubleshoot if the network is okay. I mean, there's no error also. You are connected to a strong Wi-Fi. I mean, your internet has no problem. So all you have to do is to tap this network troubleshooter down here. So click this one. Now you need to troubleshoot your network in short. Okay, so it's detecting problems. Okay, I recommend that you tap this all adapters and then continue. Tap the second one, and if you think that there's no problem with your network, all you have to do is to close this part here and proceed to the next one. Third thing to do is to log in your Roblox account and try to start playing game here. Now, if the situation or the error still exists, now you can try to play a game using your mobile or try other device to make sure that there's no problem with your Roblox account. So the last way to solve this or to fix this error code 529 in Roblox is to restart your device or reboot your system. And hopefully that once you open your laptop or your device, then this problem is already fixed. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.